Do you want to make your home festive and beautiful for the holiday season? Are you too busy or unable to hang the Christmas lights yourself? Don't know whom to call when you need Christmas lights installed? Do you need it done for a great price? Well, we have great news. The Christmas Lighting Elves are here to take care of it all for you. We provide hassle-free holiday lighting installations to create family memories that last a lifetime. We love bringing the joy of the holidays to both residential and commercial properties. You'll feel proud of your professionally decorated holiday home or business. We work with you to choose the perfect lighting design, style, and color that's the best fit for your property. We install your lights, and after the holidays are over, our crews remove everything for you in the new year. How does it work? It's really easy and inexpensive. Simply go to our website and fill in the service request form, answering as many of the questions as you can. Or if you like, just give us a quick call, and we'll take care of it from there. At the time we finalize your order to install the lights, we will also schedule a tentative date or date range for installation and removal. If you already have your string lights, just test them before we come to ensure they all work, and we will do the rest. Or, let us provide you with our high-quality super bright commercial-grade string lights, 4 years of spectacular illumination. If we provide the lights, the strings are custom fitted and cut to length, specifically for use on your home. They are yours to keep, of course. Either way, we carefully hang the lights. Your lights will be installed in plenty of time, for you and your family to enjoy them for the holiday season. After the Christmas and holiday season, we will return to take down the lights for you in the new year. So make your Christmas lights stunning and unforgettable this holiday season. Contact us today for the best selection of installation dates. In Hamilton, call us at 289-799-0441. For all other areas, call 2898-150-945 or visit our website for more information at www.christmaslightingelves.ca.